Welcome to the Worldwide Center of Mathematics College Algebra Series. So today I'm going to be talking about subsets, and this is a continuation of our sets video, which you can find in our College Algebra playlist. So what I have behind me is a defined set A with elements 1, 2, 5, 8, 17, and 102. And these don't have any real relationship with each other, they're just numbers that I picked. And so a subset is defined to be a set whose elements are found in another set. So, for example, let's look at a subset lowercase a. We'll set this equal to 1, 2, 5. And so our definition is that the elements of a subset can be found in a different set. And so we've got elements 1, 2, and 5 in set lowercase a. And each of these can be found in our defined capital A set. So this is a subset of A. So this set is a subset of capital A. And so let's look at another one. We'll do B this time. So B has elements 1, 8, 17, 102. And each of these elements can be found in set A. So B is a subset of A. And now let's look at another subset. We can do C. And C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 17. And so here, it's pretty obvious. We've got a 3 in our set C, and 3 is not found in A. So C is not a subset of A. This is the notation for when your set is not a subset of another set. And so what if we had, let's try set D. What if we had set D with elements 1, 2, 5, 8, 17, and 102. So set D has all of the elements that are in set A. In fact, set D is equal to A. But let's look at our definition of a subset again. A subset is any set whose elements are found in another set. And so all of the elements of set D are found in set A. So D is still a subset of A. And this one has notation that is a little different than the other sets. Because it's also equal to set A, we use our subset symbol as well as a line underneath. So D is a subset of A.